Good morning, professors and classmates. I'm a university student in National Kaohsiung University of Science and Technology, and my major is Department of Shipment and Transportation Management. My name is Steven, and I'm delighted to be here today to talk to you about ocean pollution. This is my contents. First is introduction. Second is issue, ocean pollution. Third is the strategy. The last is conclusion. The following is my introduction. Firstly, 97% of water in the ocean. Moreover, 70% of the area is ocean in our planet. So, ocean plays an important role in our life. However, something killed our ocean. Ocean pollution is widespread and worsening, which threatens human health and well-being. And it is a complex mixture of toxic metals. The example for toxic metal is lead and cadmium, plastics, and manufactured chemicals, industrial waste, which come from factories. Look at this picture. The sea turtle was surrounded by a lot of plastics. The sea turtle whose nostril has straws was a big news in 7 years ago. The most hazardous ocean pollution, as well as the most visible component, is plastic waste. Like in this picture, you can see a lot of plastic in the ocean. It's very terrible for our lives, but some fish or some ocean animals will eat some plastic about and then they will die. Besides, more than 10 million tons of plastic enter the seas every year. When I firstly saw the picture, I think the brown part is road. To my surprise, this was garbage instead of road. Some large garbage pieces float in the water for decades, ending up as massive concentrations where currents converge and circulate. The Pacific Ocean's garbage patch is a well-known example for ocean pollution. Next, I will tell you about oil spill. The world's worst oil spill disaster decades ago is the anti-Sanch accident. I will show you a video. Okay, and then The oil on the sea surface was pushed toward Japan by wind and impact on their coral reefs. In addition, we are afraid of the sediment of condensate, which is a chemical material, will deposit on the beaches. However, the journal Nature stated that because of the different material, the more important aspect of this disaster was the immediate toxic effect of it on the marine inhabitants. The another thing is about Taiwan environment. On 2001, the Greek merchant vessel Amorgos lost power when the ship suffered engine failure near Kenting National Park. The crew subsequently abandoned the ship due to deteriorating weather and sea conditions. The hull of the Amorgos broke down and oil began to leak from the vessel. After that, approximately 1,300 tons of fuel oil leaked from the Amorgos into the sea surrounding Kenting National Park, which is an ecological attraction that appeals millions of tourists. You can see this picture. The ocean was covered by the oil, which is leaked from the vessel. It created a hazardous environment for the 200 bird species and estimated 2,200 plant species within the park. It, it damaged the local environment. Park officials reported that contaminated coral and dead fish have washed on the beaches. And then I will talk you about the strategy. The Ocean Cleanup is a non-profit organization, engineering environmental organization based in Netherlands that develops technology to collect plastic from the oceans and intercept it in rivers before it reaches to the ocean. You can see this picture. This is the machine and this is plastic. They use the machine to collect the plastic which before it reaches to the ocean. The machine has pros and cons. Someone said it is not efficient. However, someone gave it a award to certificate the credit of it. And then my conclusion is the issue of ocean pollution that I show in this presentation is just a tip of an iceberg on the earth. It means the ocean pollution things which I present today is a little bit, just a little bit. The ocean protection, not only my responsibility, but also yours. So we have to protect our planet together. This is my references. Thank you for your listening.